Are you dreaming of playing music? Learning an instrument is fun and rewarding, but it often feels difficult. What if I told you AI can change that? In 2025, learning piano or guitar can be a breeze. Cutting-edge apps like Yousician and Simply Piano help you practice. They listen to your playing and provide instant feedback. This means you get better quickly. For guitar players, Fender Play AI is a game changer. It guides you through chords step by step. It even offers corrections for your strumming technique. Imagine having a personal music teacher in your pocket. Now, let's explore how these tools work. First, you choose your instrument, piano or guitar. Next, download an app suited for you. Start practicing with simple songs. As you play, the app listens attentively. It identifies mistakes and gives helpful tips. For example, if you're playing a chord wrong, the app will point it out. You can then practice that chord until it's perfect. This immediate feedback helps you learn faster. To sum it up, AI tools make learning instruments much easier. You can practice at your own pace, receive instant feedback, and have fun. Ready to start your music journey? Download an app today and play your favorite songs. Follow for more AI learning hacks.